Welcome back to another video with Claudiecooks. Today we are going to make one of Claudiecooks family's favorite coleslaw. It's quick, it's easy, and anyone can do it. All of the ingredients used in this video today will be listed in the link below for you. So let's get making this delicious coleslaw. Woo-hoo! Right, I'm using half for white cabbage. All of the ingredients have been washed. And now we are going to use one of these. You can thinly slice the ingredients, but I'm going to use this to do it. Makes it quicker and easier for me. I'm using 2 organic carrots. And I'm using a green apple. I'm using half of white onion. Right, I thought I was recording, but I'm using a stick of celery and I've sliced it like this, and I'm chopping them into small bite-sized pieces just to add a bit of crunch to the coleslaw. Okay, let's make the dressing. Right, I've got a cup of mayonnaise. You can use less if you want. If you don't like it too saucy, maybe a 1/4 cup, but I like a bit of sauce on mine. I'm going to add some cider vinegar to this. 1.5 tablespoons roughly. And I'm adding here 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can use white sugar, use whatever sugar you have at home. And I'm using some garlic granules, teaspoon. And I'm using some all-purpose seasoning. You know, there are different all-purpose seasonings, so find one that you have. I've got a few different ones here, but I'm using this one, and I'm using about a teaspoon. I'm using some French yellow mustard as well, and I'm going to use maybe about a tablespoon. Salt and black pepper to taste. I like black pepper, so I'm going to put a bit more. And I'm also adding some lemon juice to this as well. So I'm going to squeeze about 1.5 tablespoons. Or just a taste, really. I'm trying to give you know, measurement, but you know, when I'm cooking I just go with the flow and see what works for me. So now we're going to give this a good mixy. I've decided to grab the whisk. Makes it a little bit easier. And once we've whisked this and combined everything, we're just going to give it a bit of taste. Let's just have a little taste. Just want a little bit more black pepper. Just a little bit more of the sugar. It's tasting so lovely. Let's grab another teaspoon. Yes. Let's give this a little mix. Are you a coleslaw lover? I am definitely a coleslaw lover, and my family loves, you know, my coleslaw. I've got various variation. And now let's add this in. Trying to get it all in. No wastage here. Let's mix this up. I like to go in with my hands as well, just to really massage this all into the coleslaw, and that's what I'm going to do. Just have to give it a bit of a massage. Let me know how you like your coleslaw and what you put in your coleslaw. Be nice to know that, you know, because we all have different ways of doing things. Let me know in the comments. Right, we're gonna have a little taste. Yum yum. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to let that sit for about an hour so the flavor can develop. So I will show you when I'm plating this baby up. See you when I'm plating up. Let's serve up our coleslaw. And there you have it, guys. My one-of-a-kind Claudiecooks delicious coleslaw. Enjoy.